guys, we are here at Village Market, and it looks quite good, you know. So we're gonna show you everything about it, the bowling and everything. This is my friend.
Hi guys.
Yeah, so we've arrived here using an matatu. Oh, you know.
For the commercial.
Yeah. So yeah, let me take you through it. Let me show you the building, how it now looks nice from outside. Village Market looks awesome. Like the whole of this place just looks awesome. Wow, I can't wait to go in. This place looks nice.
Okay, there's Bridgit. We're going to Village Market. She looks really nice. Actually, I love the shoes, the jacket. Bridgit, hey, how you feeling?
I'm so super excited about it.
You look really nice. Okay, come on guys, let's go see Village Market.
Look at my outfit today.
Yes, she looks really nice. Myself, I love the shoes. Yeah.
The makeup.
Oh, guys, we're here. Oh my god. Look at the city walk.
Look at her. She's excited for this video. She's very excited for this video.
I can't wait, guys. It's just an adventure which you have to be with us. And it's going to be really fun. Yeah?
Fun, I'm sure. Look at the deco here. This deco looks awesome. Look at this deco. Wow. Look at her. Village Market. Let's take a few snaps over here, right?
Yeah.
Hey guys, since we mostly came here for bowling, now we've been searching for it, and this place looks awesome. And so yeah, we found where bowling is, so we're going over there. I was to vlog about the bowling, so let's just stick to my main agenda of coming here, which is bowling. So guys, let's go bowling. So guys, we are here. Bowling is at the second floor of Village Market, and as you can see, it's fully packed. I think it's because it's Labor Day, and maybe kids are here, family is here. My friend Pauline has spotted pool and she's excited about it. She's a pro actually. She knows how to play it. As for me, I don't know, but I think she'll teach me. Let me show you the rest of the room, how it looks like. I love the design of it, and as you can see, it's pretty. There is now bowling bowling. Looks nice. I can't wait for my turn. It just looks fun. And the views, let's get the views. This place looks nice generally, and I already love the place. Looks nice. The design, guys, look at this design. Wow, it just looks nice. I love this design. Wow. And here too, some design. And we went to ask for the charges, and as for bowling, they charge 500%. That is per one game. And about the other two games, which is this one here, I don't know the name, and the pool, they only charge 200%. That is per game. So if you want to play more and more, you have to pay for it per set, which is 200. For bowling goes for 500%. And this game looks fun too, but I didn't try it because I only came here for bowling only. Yeah, as you can see, Pauline is playing pool, and I'm sure she's going to beat the boys over here because she's a pro. I need to learn how to play this, but not today. Not today. From here, I went to ask about the shoes, which I saw this guy spraying something, and I asked him about it, and he told me that it's a disinfectant spray that he normally sprays the shoes after the game. That is because you can't go with your own shoes at the bowling area. You may slip and fall or get an injury. Now we are here bowling now, and it's much fun. It's much fun actually. This is what I was waiting for, and as you can see, the whole of it just looks nice. And I'm told that the whole of this place, the bowling area, it's automated, like the way the balls goes and hits the pins, then how the balls gets back. As you can see, the black thing over there, you see the balls coming back, so it's automated. Hey, so it just looks nice and easy. Even the scores, the moment you hit the pins, the scores are automated too, so you just get to see how many scores you have. And guys, this was fun. You need to come here too and play this, and also it's at a fair rate. 500, it's not much actually for something like this. This was my first time, and guys, I won.